Hello, good morning. It is gardening today. Well, gardening with a bit of a twist actually, but I mean, what type of gardening lesson isn't quite with a little bit of a twist? This is circle time with a Montessori twist. Just for those of you that may be new to this, my name is Alexa Leonard. I am a certified teacher. I got my degree in Scotland a very long time ago now, so I'm not going to go into dates because that will show off my age. But I also have worked in Scotland, in England, in Spain, and I came over to America, and whilst I was here, aside from meeting my wonderful husband and starting a family here, I retrained as a Montessori teacher. So Montessori is a passion of mine. We practice it in our family, but I do know that there is also a balance, and in these times right now when we're at home, Montessori is not something that you will go into to find that everything is done online on the computer. So I've had to very much adapt these lessons using the other skills that I've learned in the other parts of my education, which is really wonderful, so that I can make these lessons for you. So this is a Montessori style circle, and we do it every week. Each day we have a letter sound of the week, and we study a continent for a few months at a time. Our continent at the moment is Africa. Our letter sound of the week is G, G, G. And Tuesday is art day, Wednesday is science experiment day, Thursday is gardening, and Friday is a combination of I'm trying out some cooking alongside some music. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please like, please subscribe, and please share with your friends. Showing me that you like it incentivizes me to keep making them for you. This is not just a one-off for quarantine time. I enjoy doing this, and for you guys who are homeschooling, or for you guys that want something extra at the weekends, or especially for the summertime too, I hope this is helpful for you. Each time we have a lesson, there is a takeaway activity at the end. So let's welcome in the day together. You might hear some little sounds in the background. Occasionally my children have decided to nap at different times so we can hear their little voices. Are you ready? Okay, get your suns out. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. When I sit at circle, my bottom is on the floor. My legs are crisscross applesauce. My eyes are looking, my ears are listening, my mouth is closed, and my hands are in my lap. Tommy Thumb is up and Tommy Thumb is down. Tommy Thumb is dancing all around the town. Dance him on your shoulders, dance him on your head, dance him on your knees and tuck him into bed. Buenos dias, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Yo estoy bien y tú también. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Good morning, how are you? How are you? Good morning, how are you? How are you? Me, I'm fine, and you are too. Good morning, how are you? How are you? Well, I am very well today. I hope you are, but what day is it today? What day is this kind of cloudy, dull day over here? What's it like with you? We'll talk about that after. Let's take a look at the calendar. So if yesterday was Wednesday, tomorrow will be Friday. Yes, that means today is Thursday. Well, the weeks are flying by. Do you think so? It's nearly summertime. Or winter time in Australia. Is the weather getting colder over there? I wonder. Can you help me please? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Today is Thursday, May 21st. Hoy es el jueves, el 21 de mayo. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Los días de la semana son 7, son 7. Los días de la semana son 7, son 7. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo son 7, son 7. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? R-A-I-N-Y is rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? Windy, 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 windy. Is it windy in the sky? W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Is it windy in the sky? Snowy, 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 snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? What's the weather like with you today? Yeah, it's a little bit stormy, it's a little bit rainy, it's a little bit cloudy. So I'm going to sing about the rain, but you sing about whatever type of weather you want to sing about, what it's like with you today. And then we'll meet at the end of the song. Ready? I know a day just like today, and rainy was the weather. R-A-I-N-Y, 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 and rainy was the weather. My friends, today I have a wonderful book that I would like to read to you. But before that, for our gardening, we are going to make a math work, a Montessori math work called a sets basket. What's that got to do with anything? Well, I thought it would be lovely if we could choose some natural objects from our gardens and make a math work, because we haven't really talked a lot about math. Yes, we count our calendars, but I wanted to show you something you could have at home for younger children, and also you can extend for older brothers and sisters or older children, okay? You guys get to make your own math work, and then you get to astound your parents and show them how to do it. You can teach them to count. That would be so wonderful if you could teach them to do it. Are you ready? Okay. The first thing you do need to do is you need to be able to go outside, either in your garden or for a walk. I'm saying you need to, you don't have to. If you live in an apartment right now and you are not able to go even on a little walk somewhere to collect nature, you can find things in your house for this. I just called it a garden nature sets basket, just because a lot of the things we like to use in the Montessori classroom are natural objects. But you can find natural objects in your house, things that are made from wood. Or you can use things that are made from certain types of metals. We try not to use a lot of plastic, a lot of kind of stickers and things, but if that's what you have during this time, use what you have. But I want to show you, I'm going to bring my table forward here, what I collected outside. Now, you'll notice that the objects I've collected are not going to last all that long, some of them in my sets basket, so I'm going to switch them out. It's important to switch out your works, your toys, your games, kind of regularly as well. If you are getting tired of the things that you have on your shelves or the works that you have out, maybe you could ask Mommy and Daddy if you together could have a look at some other ones and switch them out. Maybe put some away for a little while, bring some new ones out, switch them out, and then they're super exciting when you get them out again. So Elizabeth and I went outside and Arabella came outside and we had a look at what we could find in our garden. Now we're looking for a lot of the same thing. So I found these beautiful leaves. Now I'm not going to pretend that I know what plant they're off, but they're beautiful. And I got 2 of these leaves. So you need get a few of the same things, and depending on how old you are, if you are maybe 2.5, 3 years old, the largest number of objects you're going to need is 5 or 10, depending on how well you're doing with your counting. It's about ability, not about age. I should have said that before. And for some of our friends that are able to count higher than that, you can go up to 10, or you can go between 10 and 20, 20 and 30. Choose it any way you want. You're just going to need a bigger basket. So we found a big leaf. We managed to find actually a few acorns that were not crushed. A lot of the acorns in our garden were all crushed. Now, I find these everywhere. Arabella tries to eat these. They are very spiky and sharp. I actually don't know what they are. So I would love it if you know what they are. You can shoot me a message on the Facebook Circle Time with Miss Alexa. I would love to know what these originated as. I do not know the name. I am living in Charleston, South Carolina, so that might help. And I also found these. These are very pretty. They're so small. You see it, Arabella. She's telling us that she likes those too. What I'm going to do is take a basket. It's not a trick question. It's not a trick name. A sets basket. And we are going to make sets of the object. So basically we're going to make sets 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 10 to 20, 1 to 50, however you want to do it. I am going to today make this for somebody starting out on their math journey that recognizes numerals and is learning how to count and recognize what numbers look like, what amounts of objects look like. So I have cut up some small pieces of cardstock here, and all I'm going to do is write numbers 1 to 5 on the cards. You do this by yourself though, if you're able to. So, what number comes first? 1. What number? 2. 3. Next. 4. And finally, for me, for my work, 5. I have my numbers 1 to 5. I'm going to keep this little bowl because I'm going to keep them beside me to keep my numbers in as a work that I can put on my shelf. So they will look like this. Now, I need the amount of objects to correspond. So I have 1 big leaf. Mommy and Daddy might help with this one. I have 2 other leaves the same. If anybody knows what these are too, I'd love to know. They feel kind of plasticky, but they're not. They're wonderful. I have, Elizabeth chose these ones. I have 3 tiny, tiny, pretty leaves, but they're all the same. They're all the same. Can you see the third one? There we go. 3, 4 acorns, and 5 spiky things. Now I'm going to use my fins if I decide to go a little bit higher. And I have them all in my sets basket. My sets basket and my numbers, which will sit together. Now if I was showing this work in the classroom, I would sit on the dominant side of my child and I would sit beside them and show them directly in front of them how to lay it out. Because you're on the camera, I'm going to lay it out so you can see it from where you are. Okay? Goes a little bit like this. Let's put the numbers in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can make it exciting and you can roll out a work mat and put on a table and you can dump everything out. Makes it super fun. And then we can collect them all and find them all. So I'm going to dump it out on the table, spread them all out. I'm going to group them. Can you put them in groups of like objects? Here we go. There we go. Okay. What number is this? 1. One leaf. What number is this? Numeral 2. 1, 2. What number is this? 3. You see, you get the gist. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, the last number, the numeral is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we have our sets basket from 1 to 5. As you can see, you could do this with anything in the house or outside, but I think this is a beautiful way. You can switch it up a lot. You can make it to as high numbers as you want. Hello. You can, Elizabeth just woke up. You can make it to as high numbers or as low numbers as you want. I would love to see what you come up with. Now we're going to finish and read our wonderful garden story for today. How to grow a garden. This is a shovel. This is a rake. Do you have a shovel and a rake? Think of the wonderful things they can make. Elizabeth's telling you she has a shovel and a rake.
We have a little shovel for Bella with a bag of red clips.
Do you hear that? We do. Like corn on the cob or peas in a row. Yummy, love both those things. Water them daily. Wait, and they'll grow.
Their favorite part is packed full of colors.
Flowers are blooming one by one, popping with colors. Fun, fun, fun. What else happened? All plants grow from things called seeds. Squash and carrots and even the weeds. Sometimes I can't tell which ones the weeds are. But weeds are bad. You must pull them out. So good plants will grow like green beans that sprout.
Ooh.
Soon the air changes and harvest is near. Gather your garden tools, bring them right here. Pumpkins and peppers will make such a treat now that the harvesting season's complete. Well, we have a little bit of time until harvest on this side of the world, but I love that How to Grow a Garden book. It is fantastic. Let's finish today with some pranayama breathing, and we are actually going to just count to 5. We're going to breathe in, count to 5 out, and then repeat. Are you ready? Breathe in and out. In. In. Shoulders up and down in your back pockets. Thank you so much, my friends. I hope you enjoy making your sets baskets. Remember, go click that subscribe button. Please like, share with your friends, like again, subscribe. Can't wait to see you tomorrow. We're going to have some music and some new songs and a bit more Spanish going on. Goodbye.